Comrades, now we are going to start the second part of math chapter. Very important chapter for exam point of view. Please follow. Tomorrow, our friend Mr. Kiran, he started one company called as Kiran Limited. Now, step number 1, total income. Step number 2, normal tax liability. Step number 3, book profit. Book profit. Step number 4, MAT liability. Step number 5, tax liability is equal higher of normal tax or MAT. Now, I would like to take one illustration here. Now, my normal tax liability, let us say 30 crore, whereas my MAT liability, let us say 25 crore. Then what is the answer, Nana? You have to pay 30 crore. Correct? Yes. This is good news. How it is a good news? Because you are paying tax as per normal provisions of the act means it is a good news, kada? Yes. But now I will tell you the bad news. What is that? Your normal tax liability is 30 crore, whereas your MAT liability is 42 crore. Oh shit. This is bad news. Why it is bad news now? Physically, psychologically, mentally, spiritually, devotionally, you decided to pay 30 crores. But lawmaker asked you add something, asked you to deduct something, and he calculated one figure called as 42 crore, and he asked you to pay 42 crore tax and that is over and above 30 crore or not? Yes. Yes, sir. See, start crying. Ayo, I need to pay higher amount of tax. Kada? Yes. Then government of India said, Modi said, don't cry. I will give one benefit. What is that? MAT credit. I repeat, MAT credit. What is this? MAT credit means how much extra you paid, that much will be allowed as MAT credit. How much extra you have paid, that much will be allowed as MAT credit. Tell me, you decided to pay the amount of 30 crore. But how much you have paid? 42 crore. That means extra how much you have paid? 12 crore. No, the 12 crore will be allowed as MAT credit. Now, Summa doubt, sir, what is the use of this MAT credit? What is the use of this MAT credit? Answer, this MAT credit you can carry forward. You can carry forward and you can adjust in future. I repeat, you can adjust in future. Student doubt, sir, when we can adjust, sir? I cannot follow. Don't worry. Come to the next year. Next year, your step 1, total income. Step 2, normal tax. Step 3, book profit. Step 4, MAT liability. Step 5, normal tax. Next year, how much you know? Your tax liability, let us say 40 crore. Your MAT liability, how much you know? 43 crore. Now tell me, good news or bad news? Bad news. Why bad news? No, you decided to pay 40, but they are asking you to pay 43 crore. Oh shit, we are paying as for MAT. Correct? Yes. When you are supposed to pay MAT, that is beyond your expectations. Correct? Yes. Then don't worry, you have to pay higher only. The higher is nothing but in this example 43 crore. But even though you paid higher, you will get MAT credit. MAT credit formula 43 minus 40. Nothing but MAT minus normal tax. How much? 3. What is that? MAT credit. Again, my friend Suma, she told me, sir, what is the use? Madam, you can carry forward. You can carry forward. Again, Suma doubt. Last time 12 crore is there. Today 3 crore is there. What I can do? Madam, you can carry forward. Sir, malli carry forward and how many years you can carry forward? Madam, this 12 crore you can carry forward for 15 years. Come again, 15 years. Sir, mari 3 crore? 3 crore again 15 years. But this 12 crore only for 14 years. Why? 1 year already lapsed. Yes sir, no? Yes. MAT credit can be carried forward for a period of maximum 15 years. Now Suma doubt, sir, okay sir, I will carry forward. Is there any uses? Any uses? Yes madam, you have one advantage. Sir, what is the advantage? Tell me. Next one, third year. Come on. Come to the third year. In third year, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Now step 2, your normal tax liability, let us say 50 crore. Step 3, Your MAT liability, let us say 49 crore. Come again, 49 crore. Good news or bad news, sir? Good news. Yens are good news. Good news is you are paying tax as per your expectations. Correct? Huh? Yes. Madam, tell me, what is the tax liability? 50. Normal or MAT? Normal. Whenever your normal tax liability is higher than the MAT, you know what is the good news? That MAT credit can be adjusted. Come again. MAT credit can be adjusted. Wow. Lower of. Oh shit. Government always will say whichever is lower. Lower of dash dash dash. Lower of. Come on. No, lower of outstanding MAT credit. Outstanding MAT credit. Sir, tell me, what is the total outstanding MAT credit in your account? 12 crore plus 3 crore. Total how much? 15 crore. Okay, na? ORR, small b. What is that? Normal tax. Very good. Actual tax minus MAT. Tell me, what is your actual tax? In this year, what is your actual tax? 50. Minus, what is your MAT? 49. What is the difference? 1 crore. Oh, whichever is higher or lower? Lower. That 1 crore will be allowed as deduction. Balance amount only you have to pay. How much? 49 crore. Oh, whenever your normal tax liability is higher than the MAT liability, in that case, whatever the outstanding MAT credit you have, that will be allowed as set off. That will be allowed as adjustment. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. How much will be allowed as adjustment? Whichever is higher or lower? Lower. Government always will give whichever is lower. Kada. How much? Small a. Outstanding total MAT credit or small b. Difference between normal tax and MAT. Whichever is lower. మాధవి 49 crore ఎక్కడో చూసినట్టుంది. మ్యాట్ అరే దుర్మార్గుడా, యు ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ మినిమం టు పే దిస్ మచ్ ఆఫ్ ట్యాక్స్. అర్థమైందా? బొమ్మరిల్లు ఫాదర్ ఇక్కడ, బొమ్మరిల్లు అసెసింగ్ ఆఫీసర్. ఈ ఆల్రెడీ డిసైడెడ్ హౌ మచ్ ట్యాక్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు పే. వెలిగిందా సార్? సార్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్. ఎందుకు కలెక్ట్ చేశారు, ఎందుకు పే చేస్తున్నారు? ఓకే, ఐ విల్ టేక్ వన్ లైవ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఫాలో, దెన్ యూ విల్ అండర్స్టూడ్ బెటర్. ఓకే ఫైన్. 99, not 99, 100% real info, follow. I completed my CA final exams, attempts completed, okay, fine. Waiting for the results. I am pursuing my MCOM exams, MCOM. At that time, I wanted to pay the exam fees. Now, I can't ask my parents. I cannot ask. Why? Because already final completion, about to complete CA final at the time. At that age, I don't want to ask my parents. Then whom I can ask? My friends, because friends are doing engineering. Engineering people have an advantage. What is the advantage? They can settle at the earliest. Within 4 years they can settle. But CA student will not settle within 4 years. Within 4 years he will do articles only. Correct? Yes. So they are earning. So then one day I called my friend, Mr. Venu. Re Venu, I wanted to pay exam fees. Give me 2,000 or something. For example, he has given 10,000. Immediately I qualified. I got the job. Okay. Immediately what I will pay? I will get salary, every month. So I have taken 10,000 from him, kada? Yes. I will repay first month 3,000. Next month another 3,000. Next month 3,000. Last month 1,000. Like that I will do. Correct? Yes. Same concept applicable in case of MAT also. How? Modi will ask you, Baba, please give me 10,000. Okay, even though you are not liable to pay, please pay as per MAT. Please give me 10,000. Don't cry, I will give you. Okay, fine. I will keep with me. But exactly whenever normal tax liability is higher than the MAT, then proportionate amount will be given. Correct? Velginda sir? Everyone? Yes. That's all. This is the concept called as MAT. Minimum pay this much of tax. Adi lawmaker intention. Why, sir? If you are not paying this kind of tax, then how government will run the government? How government will run the game? For that purpose, Government wanted to collect some minimum tax. Even though you are not liable to pay tax, please pay some amount of tax. That concept is called as MAT. Correct? Then doubt, why I need to pay unnecessarily? Hey, don't worry. Even though you paid MAT, I will give you as a credit. The credit you can carry forward. You can adjust also. Within how many years we can adjust? 15 years. Next, when we can adjust? In the year in which your normal tax liability is higher than MAT liability. Correct? Yes. Next question. How much we can adjust? Whichever is higher or lower? Lower. How much? Outstanding total MAT credit or normal tax minus MAT. Correct? Yes. Chalo. Now, see the word. I request you all follow. MAT credit under section 115 JA. 115 JAA. Important section. You have to memorize the section number also. Okay, follow. Every corporate SC has to pay tax higher of normal tax or MAT. Clear, sir? Yes or no? Yes. Now, Meenakshi doubt. Sir, whichever is lower or higher? Government benefit aithe whichever is higher. Mana benefit aithe whichever is lower. Is government benefit? No. Whichever is higher. If MAT liability is higher than the normal tax liability, then MAT credit will be available. Available. Understood? Yes. What is the MAT credit formula? MAT credit is equal MAT minus normal tax. Clear? Yes. Next question. Interest will be paid by Modi. Already MAT credit means my amount is with Modi. Correct? Modi will give the interest on this? No. No way. Modi will not give the interest. Kada? In my example also, am I give interest to my friend? No. Same way here also, Modi will not give any interest. But it can be carried forward for a maximum period of 15 years. Next one. Adjustment of MAT credit. When we can adjust? It can be adjusted in the year in which normal tax liability is higher than MAT. Okay. How much we can adjust? Whichever is higher or lower? Lower. Outstanding MAT credit or difference between normal tax and MAT. Clear, sir? Everyone? Yes. Okay, sir. This is the concept called as MAT credit. So once again, I wanted to explain this concept. It will take just 2 minutes time. I need your participation. Everybody in the class, follow. Shall I? Step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My normal tax, let us say 40 lakh. My MAT liability, let us say 48 lakh. Good news or bad news? Bad news. Tax payable as per MAT. How much? 48 lakh. When you pay as per MAT, MAT credit will be allowed or not allowed? Allowed. 48 minus 40. How much? 8 lakhs. 8 lakh can be carried forward for 15 years. Any interest will be paid by Modi? No. Next year. Come to the second year. Since second year, what happened? Okay. Step number 1. Step number 2. Normal tax. 35 lakh. Okay. Step number 4. MAT liability. How much? 33 lakhs. Okay, na? Yes. Next number. Step 5. Good news or bad news? Good news. What is that? 35. So, immediately what happened? Whichever is higher or lower? Come on. Lower. Outstanding MAT credit how much? 8 lakh. And difference between normal tax and MAT how much? How much? 2 lakh. Whichever is higher or lower? Lower. How much? 2. Balance how much? 33 lakh. Correct? Yes. That's all. Okay, na sir? Chalo. But I want to tell you one thing. Whenever 2 engineering students meet with each other, what they will discuss? Engineering students met with each other, they will discuss about maybe backlogs, or they may discuss about their friends. Correct? Yes. Next one. When 2 CS students met with each other, CA or CMA students, what they will ask? I don't know about your thing. I know about myself. In those days, we used to ask one question. Ainda. He will say the same answer. Avaledu. Enti aindi. Different meanings are there. Number 1, attempt. Number 2, preparation. Number 3, group 1 coaching or group like this. He also will ask me the same. In the same answer. Avaledu. Bye. But when two accountants meet with each other, they will discuss like this. Your company is in MAT or normal tax. One fellow will say, shit, my company is in MAT. Other fellow will say, with lot of smiley will say, thank God my company is in normal tax. Now article student will get the doubt. వీడేమో మ్యాట్ అని ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాడు, వీడేమో నార్మల్ ట్యాక్స్ అని హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాడు. ఏంటి రీజన్? రీజన్ ఏంటంటే నానా, whenever your normal tax is higher than MAT, whatever the your amount is blocked with Narendra Modi will be released slowly. Correcta? Correcta? Yes. Therefore, they will say, thank God I am in normal tax. Whenever you are in normal tax, you know the advantage. You have to pay 35 lakhs, kada? Yes. But no need to pay 35, Raja. How much you have to pay? 33 only. The 2 lakh you can take it from the Modi government. Correcta? Yes. That is the intention of lawmaker. Okay. Suppose your grandma asked you, Nana, enti concept MAT and all. Then you can say like this, Granny, when my tax is 0 or nil or less, at that time also I need to pay some tax extra. Correct? Yes. Extra tax will be allowed as MAT credit. Karda? Yes. But I can take it as a refund in the year in which normal tax liability is higher than the MAT. Will you get any interest? No. Kada? How much we can adjust? Highest or least? Least. How much? Outstanding MAT credit or difference between normal tax and MAT. Clear, sir? Bas. With this, done with the topic called as MAT credit. So please follow. MAT credit is equal MAT minus normal tax. It can be carry forward for 15 years. It can be adjusted in the year in which normal tax liability higher than the MAT. And the list of the following can be adjusted. Whichever is lower. Small a, outstanding MAT credit. Small b, difference between normal tax and MAT. MAT credit can be utilized to the extent normal tax exceeds MAT. Okay, that's it. Clear, sir? Yes. Next one, another simple point. Follow. Sometimes what happen? Company can convert into LLP. Possible, huh? I'm telling you, possible. Company can convert into LLP. Nana, when company is converted into LLP, company emo MAT, LLP emo AMT. Correct? MAT applicable for company, AMT is applicable for LLPs. Yes or no? If you don't know, then follow. But if you are a company, but company already outstanding MAT credit is there, kada? Yes. But now they converted into LLP. But when you convert it into LLP, MAT is not applicable, AMT is applicable. Correct? Yes. Now my question, the outstanding MAT credit, can you adjust or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Answer 100% no. Because that is MO MAT, this is MO AMT. Correct? Yes. Meenakshi doubt. Sir, spelling ke kada change. Okay. You cannot say. If it is the case, for male and female, spelling ke change. Correct? So, you cannot say both are same. Moral of the story. Here also in conversion of unlisted company or private company into LLP, outstanding MAT credit cannot be carried over by LLP. It will get lapse. Now student out, sir, loss kada? Yes, loss hai. Correct, sir? Everyone? Yes. Chalo, with this, done with the topic called as MAT credit. Okay, na? Chalo, any doubts? Fine. I request you all, please copy the important points. Note it down. Put the heading MAT credit. MAT credit under section 115 JAA. 115 JAA. Note it down. Yeah, comrades, with this we done with the topic called as MAT credit. So now I wanted to start the next topic, that is called as applicability of MAT credit. Come again. Applicability of MAT credit. Important? Yes, important. Next one. MAT applicable to. Already you know certain things. Tell me. Company is a partnership firm. Yeah. See the word applicability of MAT provisions. Important ante no, not important, but important for MCQs. Okay. Not important for the main exam. Important for main exam MCQs. Start. MAT applicable to. Number one. Ma'am, is it applicable to companies? Yes. Private companies? Yes. Public companies? Yes. All the companies are subject to MAT. But certain companies are not applicable. Number one, Section 8 companies. Come again. Section 8 companies. Student doubt, why, sir? Nana, they are not doing much business. They are doing only profit oriented activities. Correct? No. Service oriented activity. That is a non-profit organization. Therefore, MAT provisions are not applicable for Section 8 companies. Number one. Number two, tonnage tax companies. Come again. Tonnage tax company. See the word. This is a empty ship. Empty vessel. Ship. Okay. After that, we loaded. Okay. So this is the loaded ship. Tonnage is there or not? Yes. On the tonnage, I need to pay tax. That is the reason it is called as tonnage tax companies. Take it for granted. For tonnage tax companies, MAT provisions are exempted. MAT provisions are not at all applicable. Next one. Third one. What? Insurance companies. I repeat, insurance companies. Insurance companies are covered or not covered? That is the question. Answer. Life insurance companies are not covered, but general insurance companies are covered. Meenakshi, what is the difference between life insurance and general insurance? General insurance means other than life insurance. Example, fire, marine insurance, fire insurance, etc. Correct? Yes. So, moral of the story, on human beings' life, if you have taken any policy, that is called as life insurance. If you have taken on the products like fire insurance, or else what do you call stock insurance, or else other insurance like water, marine insurance, these kind of things are covered under the category called as general insurance. Take it for granted, life insurance companies are not attracted the MAT provisions. Okay, now, yes. Lawmaker has given relaxation. Enjoy. Correct? Yes. Next number. Non-corporate entities, MAT applicable or not applicable? Not applicable. For non-corporate. Tell me non-corporate. Individual, HEF, AOP, BOI, AJP, local authority, LLPs, partnership firm. In all the cases, take it for granted, MAT provisions are applicable or not applicable? Not applicable. Clear, sir? MAT provisions are not applicable for firm. MAT provisions are not applicable for LLP. Okay, clear. Next, another thing, foreign company which is having income under section 44B, 44BB, 44BBA, 44BBB. Come again. 44B. B for boat. B for boat. Non-resident carrying shipping business. You have to memorize the section number also. That is the reason I am telling all the things. B for boat. Non-resident carrying shipping business. Okay. Presumptive income applicable for non-resident carrying shipping business. In that case, MAT provisions not applicable. Happily, you can follow the provisions of section 44B. Clear? Next one. 44BBA. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Non-resident carrying airlines business. For that also MAT provisions are not at all applicable. Correct? Yes. Tell me. 44B, 44BBA. Not applicable. Next one. 44BBB. What is that, you know? Some people will do this business, non-resident. What? They will keep one brick. Brick. On that another brick. After that another brick. Brick. Construction. Non-resident carrying construction business. Veliginda? What is the section? 44 BBB. Next one, 44 BB. BB. Dubai. In Dubai, that is known for petroleum. Correct? Yes. So, those SSCs who are extraction of mineral oil, if you are carrying that kind of business, you are covered under section 44 BB. Once again, 44 B, non-resident carrying shipping business. 44 BB, non-resident carrying exploration of mineral oil business. Non-resident carrying airlines business, and non-resident engaged in the business of construction of civil structures. They are not subject to MAT. Clear? Very good. But MAT provisions are applicable for corporate SC. MAT provisions are applicable for bank, insurance, electricity. Wait, which insurance company? General insurance. And MAT provisions are even also applicable for units located in IFSC, International Financial Service Center. Part of our syllabus also we will discuss later. Units located in IFSC. Next one, foreign company have PE. What is PE? Permanent establishment. If I ask what is PE, don't say permanent establishment. You have to see what is permanent establishment. Fixed place of business and also include branch, office, warehouse, sales outlet, factory, place of management and mines, etc. So moral of the story, foreign company has PA, that MAT provisions are applicable. Correct? Chalo. But MAT provisions are not applicable to non-corporate SC, not applicable to Section 8 companies, not applicable to tonnage tax companies, and not applicable to life insurance company, and not applicable to those foreign companies which are following the provisions of 44 B, BB, BBA, BBB. B for, I'm not asking techniques, Nana. B for non-resident carrying shipping business. BB, non-resident engaged in the business of exploration of mineral oil. 44 BBA, non-resident carrying airlines business. 44 BBB, non-resident carrying construction business. Correct? Yes. Next and last sentence of this topic, Nana, non-resident following special tax provisions under section 115, Bob, etc. Okay, 115 BAA, 115 BAB. What is that? That is other topic. We will discuss there. Anyhow, if you are following alternative tax regime, you are not supposed to follow MAT. Correct? Yes. Last sentence, Nana, important. Somehow important. Follow. Non-resident foreign company is also not required to follow MAT if they don't have P. Correct? Yes. But now I wanted to explain the last sentence. If foreign company is a resident of a country where no DER, come again, no DER, no PED. What is that? No other option, Nana, you have to by heart. What is this? No PED means one foreign company is there. Best example, Alibaba. I repeat, Alibaba Limited, China company. Nana, it is a resident of China. Everybody in the class, India and China has DTA agreement or not? Yes or no? I am telling you the answer. Yes, they have DTA agreement. Sneha, they have DTA agreement. Okay, but for your info, Alibaba does not have PE in India. No PE. Correct? Yes. Common sense. No PE aithe, no income is taxable. When no income is taxable, common sense, how MAT applicable? MAT applicable or not applicable? Not applicable. If an auto driver asks me, Bhaiya, what is this? I will tell you only one sentence. Foreign companies which does not have permanent establishment in India, for them MAT provisions are not at all applicable. Why? They don't have permanent establishment. They don't have any fixed place of business. Then how MAT is applicable? Applicable or not applicable? Not applicable. Clear, sir? మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే సెల్ఫిష్గా ఉండాలి, ప్రిపరేషన్లో సెల్ఫిష్గా ఉండాలి. ఫస్ట్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. మీరే ఆ పొజిషన్లో ఉంటే ఏంటి? యువర్ ఏ ఫారెన్ కంపెనీ. వన్ డే యూ గాట్ ఏ లెటర్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్, పే ద మ్యాట్. Then you will get the common dialogue. Why I need to pay the tax? Correct? Yes. If you have any business here, you have to pay. Best example, Kia. Kia has factory in Anantapur. Correct? Yes. Compulsory they have to pay MAT or not? Yes. Alibaba does have nothing in India. When they don't have anything in India, they are liable or not liable? Not liable. Clear, sir? Comrades, okay na? Yes. No paid. No paid ante one company is a foreign company is a resident of a country where India has DTIA but no permanent establishment. See the sentence now. Alibaba foreign company is a resident is there in a country having DTIA with India. China has DTIA but such foreign company does not have permanent establishment within the definition of DTAA. Okay, no pad, no PE, even though they have DTAA. Adi meaning. Clear? Unfortunately, in India, exam system is testing your memory. Correct? Whenever they wanted to test your memory, we should have all these provisions in our memory. But how it is possible? Not possible, kada? That is the reason we will follow some techniques so that easily you can memorize and you can write in the exam. Okay? That is the reason I am saying the certain technique. What is 44B? Which business? Shipping. A, BBA, airlines. BBBB, construction. BB, exploration of oil. If I have not explained the techniques, it is very difficult to by heart. Seriously. That is the reason I am doing spoon feeding. Okay. That is the reason I will ask you to come to class regularly. The reason you also can study at your home. But you will have different impact when you attended the class. Okay, na? Fine. Follow. Next one. Last one. No ped over. No dar. Come again. No dar. What is that? Follow. Now, one company is a resident of a country with which India does not have DTIA but not required to get any registration. See the word once again. Foreign company is a resident of a country with which India does not have DTIA and such foreign company is not required to get registration as for Indian Companies Act or any other Companies Act in India. That is the answer. What is that? I will tell you one example. Please follow. One company is there. The company name is Docomo. Docomo. Have you heard this one? That is a Japanese #1 mobile company. Nowadays it is not there in India. ఇప్పుడు ఇండియాలో లేదు ఫర్ ఎవర్ ఇన్ఫో. ఏదో చేద్దామని ఆవేశంగా ఇండియా వచ్చాడు. సీరియస్లీ దే స్టార్టెడ్ వన్ కంపెనీ కాల్డ్ అస్ టాటా డొకోమో. ఇతను వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఒక వండర్ జరిగింది యాక్చువల్లీ. ఆ వండర్ ఏంటంటే మీకు తెలియకపోవచ్చు. వన్స్ అపాన్ ఎ టైమ్ పర్ మినిట్ త్రీ రూపీస్ ఇస్ ద ఛార్జ్. ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు స్పీక్ ఓవర్ ఏ ఫోన్ ఫర్ ఎ మినిట్ ఐ నీడ్ టు పే 3 రూపీస్. ఇతను వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఏం చేశాడంటే సెకండ్ బిల్లింగ్ చేశాడు. సెకండ్ కింద వెలిగిందా. సో అదర్ ఫోన్స్ యూస్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏం చేసేవాళ్ళం అంటే మినిట్ టైం చూసేవాళ్ళం. టైం మినిట్ క్రాస్ అయింది, ఎటు 3 రూపీస్ కట్ అవుతాయి కదా. ఎస్ వీ ఆల్సో విల్ కంటిన్యూ స్పీక్ విత్ ద ఫెలో. తిన్నావారా లైక్ దిస్ విల్ కంటిన్యూ. ఓకే, బట్ వెన్ డొకోమో హ్యాస్ స్టార్టెడ్ దట్ సినారియో హాస్ కంప్లీట్లీ చేంజ్. సెకండ్ బిల్లింగ్ మీరు ఎన్ని సెకండ్స్ మాట్లాడితే అంతే బిల్లింగ్ కదా. సరే, ఎనీహౌ టాటా డొకోమో అది వన్స్ అపాన్ అ టైమ్. నౌ డేస్ డొకోమో ఈజ్ ఎ జపనీస్ కంపెనీ. Number 1, listen carefully. Docomo is a resident of Japan. Now Japan and India has DTA or not? Yes. That too, Docomo does not have PE. That is come under no ped. Correct? Yes. Now MAT provisions are applicable to Docomo? No. Next question. Follow. Other example. Start. One company is there, J Limited, that is located in Uganda. Come again, which country? Uganda. India and Uganda does not have any agreement called as DTIA. Oh shit, no DTIA. Why, sir? Answer: Modi not entered into any agreement with this country. Clear? Yes. And that too, the J Limited has operations only in Uganda, nothing in India. Therefore, They are required to get any kind of registration in India? No. No. Correct? Yes. Tell me. No dar ante no DTIA as well as no registration. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. So me language lo chepta. You have not registered for CMA institute exams. You have not registered. You have not taken the registration number for CMA exam. Can you able to get exemption in CMA? No. Can you pass CMA exam? No. Alane, you are not registered in India. You are not having any operations. You are not having any PE. Asli your country and our country does not have any DTIA. Then MAT provisions are applicable or not applicable? Not applicable. Reverse. Trump company. You know Trump is number one real estate person in America. The fellow does not have any operations in India, but India and America has DTAA. They have DTAA but no PA, no PAD. No PAD. Applicable or not applicable? Not applicable. Next one, Mexico and India. Mexico and India does not have any DTAA. There one company is there, M Limited. The M Limited is not required to get any kind of registration in India. That is called as no DAR. No DAR. MAT applicable or not applicable? Not applicable. Clear, sir? Everyone? Yes. Reverse. Kia company, MAT applicable? Yes. Samsung company has unit in Hyderabad, Chennai. MAT applicable? Yes. Next one, IKEA company has branch in Hyderabad. MAT applicable? Yes. Next one, Suzuki company has manufacturing of plant in India. MAT applicable? Yes. Now, Apple company has sales unit in Mumbai. MAT applicable? Yes. If you have permanent establishment, MAT applicable. If you don't have permanent establishment, MAT is not applicable. With this, done with the topic called as applicability of MAT. Okay. Thank you very much.